Hey, what's up? Can you see the road? Wait. Yeah, you can. Okay, first of all, Merry Christmas to everyone. Sorry I didn't say that in the first video. I was just kind of skating. Didn't know I was going to put it on YouTube. But, I want to show you everything. First of all, I got these badass shoes. Bam! Osiris's, they're pretty freaking cool. Wait. Bam again. Okay. And I got this awesome shirt. LMFAO, Every Day I'm Shuffling. And you guys know that's my favorite song. So, Merry Christmas and enjoy Christmas skate video fail 2 on the same day. I'll do another small spin. Ouch. No, I'm not. Hey, just come out here. This is my sister Tristan. I think you all know her.
I kind of need to get this up, Chris.
Huh?
I said I kind of need to get this up.
Why?
So I'm like, I'm going to learn if I can do it.
No. Okay, well. I give up.
Shit. Did you tell them that it's Christmas?
Well, fuck, they know that, dumbass. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Really, you're in a
Okay, guys, I made this trick just for you. It's called the freaking Christmas flip, I guess. Enjoy. Okay, guys, thanks for watching and everything, especially that I go to my school and everything. I made up a trick called the Christmas flip. Here you go. It's just something to mess around with when you're bored, and it's easy to do. There you go, I'll do it again. It looks cool if you do it faster. But, you see, my shoes, sizes. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Bye.